Welcome to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining. I am your host, Mario Dakers. Honestly, I totally appreciate everyone who is consistently tuning in and watching my program. Now, today we have some news about Leon Bailey. And the thing about that, despite Leon Bailey confirming, and well, not Leon Bailey, but despite Aston Villa making their bid public, other teams are still pushing the needle to ensure that, the speedometer to ensure that they get a piece of the pie. And that pie is actually the signature of Leon Bailey. So, guys, please, before I get straight into the video, please remember to smash that like button and subscribe to the Military Guna TV because this is what we do. Great daily content on the Reggae Boys. Now, Leon Bailey is the hottest commodity right now on the transfer market. Both names, Leon Bailey and Jack Grealish, are names thrown right across the diaspora. But definitely, Aston Villa came out boldly and make their bid known. And the reason for that is because they know the competition is out there. Now, Aston Villa, as they're doing quite a significant amount of work this Gold Cup, this this transfer window, and they're pushing extremely hard to get Leon Bailey. But the story doesn't end there. So let me read a little bit into the article. Now, according to Aston Villa are hoping to complete the signing of Leon Bailey from Bayer Leverkusen before the window is shut. According to Football Insider, the Premier League side have now agreed on personal terms with the 23-year-old winger, and they are now working on agreeing fee with the club. So the gap is actually between the club and the player is okay with going to Aston Villa, which tells us that there's a strong chance that this is actually confirmation that the deal is over the line. The mere fact that the player agreed personal terms, it means that the deal is literally going over the line. Because what most clubs do is that when they realize a player wants to leave and the player already agreed personal term with a particular club, it shows that it tells the club that they should try and let this player go because they don't want to keep an unhappy player for an entire season. You might not get the due result, even though they're professionals. You might not get the due result from that you'd want from them, or due performance that you think you should get from them. So the whole thing left now for them to do is to work out the pricing pricing tag on the player via Bayer Leverkusen. Bayer Leverkusen looking for something in the region of 35 million euros, and Aston Villa first bid was actually 30 million euros. So that's not far. That the margin is not far there. So maybe you can see them settling for something like 33 million euros and using like add-ons to bring it up to the 35 and sign fees and all those type of things to bring it up to the 35. So there's a strong possibility that this is actually in the region of completion just by that. So Bailey picked up 15 goals and 11 assists across all competition last season, and he would be a tremendous addition to Dean Smith's attack. So that's that you're picking up right here 26 goals. 26 goal contribution. That is a lot. 26 goal contribution. I think that's a lot, and that is something that Dean Smith would want into his team. Now, one of the things that I realized that it seems as if Jack Grealish move to Manchester City could be the likely reason for these funds. So if Jack Grealish in Man City, maybe is not on is not on the cards, maybe we might not see the deal go through. But I'm just speculating here because a lot of the deals. Notice how early Jack Grealish and Manchester City make it so public that this deal is happening. But we see how that one goes. Now, on the other hand, let me bring up something here so you guys can see. On the other hand, so I'm going to stop sharing that. On the other hand, Leicester City making a last minute dodge and trying to get the signature of Leon Bailey due to the fact that Aston Villa might be twindling around a bit, not that comfortable, trying to work out the price range. And we know that Leicester City, they have an owner who actually spends as well, just as Aston Villa do. Now, Stephen Bowenski said, interesting bid war for Leon Bailey at the moment. Bill reporting that Leicester City, Wolves, and Aston Villa all want the winger. Villa reported to offer 30 million euros for the player, and it was rejected. I have been told that Leverkusen is holding out for as much as 45 million euros. So it's more significant than what I actually think. No, the Foxes of Leicester City potentially have significant, exciting news for you today via sports journalists who specialize in Bundesliga. So he said, okay, let's waste no time on pleasantries. This one and get straight down to the business. The German football reporter Stefan Bowenski suggested that Leicester City have entered the bidding war with Aston Villa, also Wolverhampton, for the signature of Leon Bailey. So this is what's happening right now. It's literally a bidding war for the player. Now we could also say that this late entrance from Leicester City could be reports, could be a PR stunt by the agent to ensure that Aston Villa push a bit harder to get the deal done. So that could be a PR stunt. That's what I think. It's not necessarily that's what the situation is, but it just could be. I'm just using scenarios here, people, to dissect what's happening. But we know confirmly that Aston Villa made the bid, and that is on paper, that is on record, that Aston Villa made the bid. So with Leicester City now coming into the latter stages of the bidding war, it would seem as if it is just a move from the agent to bolster or try to get Aston Villa to move a bit faster in what they are trying to do. So that these are aspects of transfers that it's the norm. These things always happen. Now for Leon Bailey moving into the Premier League, different environment. I don't think England is somewhere new to him, but maybe living in England could be a bit new. A lot of Jamaican players in England as well. You know, he has friends, Raheem Sterling, and all the other reggae boys that are in. I didn't say Raheem Sterling is a reggae boy. I said Raheem Sterling is his friend, and also the other reggae boys who are in the English setup. They can help him settle down into that area. And as I said earlier, and I remember that I spoke about Demarai Gray and his transfer to Leicester City, no, to Everton, my bad. His transfer to Everton could be also something that reignite the move for Leon Bailey into the Premier League, because you know those both of them are quite close, very, very good friends, and definitely they might have conversations saying that let's make the move together. And we'll see how that one goes. But I thought that initially it was Everton who was the one who made the bid for Leon Bailey, who was actually interested in Leon Bailey initially, but maybe that was a smoke screen for Demarai Gray. And that's maybe they trick the fans. But anyways, people, thank you very much for tuning in. This has significantly been a good one. And what do you think about this move? Do you think that this would be a good move for Leon Bailey going to the Premier League? But I think it's a good move. Now, let's see him in the Premier League performing at that high level. You know, the Premier League is no joke. It's no joke place. But thank you very much for tuning in. Military Guna TV here, reporting. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.